Hi, in this video we are going to solve questions based on cards from the topic probability. So before solving the questions based on cards, we will understand basic concepts of cards. So we'll start with the total number of cards that are used. The total number of cards. So the total number of cards are 52. Now, cards are divided into two colors. One is red and the other one is black. Cards color. So as you can see in the screen, so these are all the red cards. So there will be 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Now, in this 26 red cards, again these red cards, that is the 26 red cards, are classified into hearts and diamonds. Similarly, the black cards are classified into spades and clubs. So there are 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 spades and 13 clubs. Now, after say a 1 week or 2 weeks, you may forget that under red what are the type of cards that come. I mean, whether hearts come under red or diamonds come under red or spades come under red or clubs come under red, you may forget it. So in order to remember, simply use the spelling red and you replace E with H. So this means red, under red there are two types, that is hearts and diamonds. If you can remember what is under red, immediately the leftover things like spades and clubs will be under black. Now, as you can see in this table, there are 4 kings and 4 queens and 4 jacks and 4 aces. Each one, that is king, queen, jack and ace, they are coming under hearts, diamonds, spades and clubs. Now, these 16 cards, 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks and 4 aces, these 16 cards are called as honor cards. Right? Now, the leftover cards, these are called as digit cards. Now, what are the digits that are displayed on the cards? Digits are from 2 to 10. Remember, there is no card that has the digit 1. Some may assume that the ace itself is 1, but there is no card that has digit as 1 on it. Now, with this basic understanding of cards, we'll solve questions. Now let us look at this question. Now let us solve these questions. The questions are to the left side of the screen. The questions are all these things. Now in this question, a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a card of red suit? Now, we are asked to find out the probability. So first we'll start with the denominator. Denominator, since in all these questions only a single card is drawn, so denominator will be 52C1. Now let us look at the numerators for each type of question. Now, in the first question, we are asked to find out what is the probability that the card is of red suit. So from the table we can see there are 26 reds. So it is 26C1 divided by 52C1. Now let us move to the second part of the question. What is the probability that it is of club suit? Now clubs, How many club cards are there? There are 13, so it is 13c1 by 52c1. Now let us look at this third question. A honor card of black suit. So as we know that there are 16 honor cards, these are all the honor cards. Out of 16, 8 will be from black suit, so it is 8c1 by 52c1. Now let us look at the fourth question. A honor card of diamond suit. So that means how many diamonds are there? There are 13 diamonds and a honor card of diamond suit. So in under diamonds, out of these 13 cards, there are only 4 honor cards. So it will be, so those 4c1, out of 4 I will draw 1 card divided by 52c1. Next, question number 5. What is the probability that a card having a number less than 8? So less than 8 means these are all the cards that are having a number less than 8. How many cards are there? Out of 52 cards, 16 are honor cards, 36 are digit cards. Out of these 36, I need to subtract these things, that is the cards that are having digit 8, 9, 10. So there will be each 8 cards having digit 8 there are 4 cards, so there will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, so 12. So if you subtract 12 from it, there will be 24 such cards. Out of 24, I need to draw 1 and the denominator will be 52c1. Now let us look at the sixth question. This states that what is the probability that a card is having number and that number is a multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means these 4 cards are multiple of 3, these 4 cards are multiple of 3, these 4 cards are also of multiple of 3. So there are 12 such cards. Out of 12, I will draw one of them and this is 52c1 denominator. Next, seventh question is, what is the probability that it is an ace or a jack? So how many aces are there? So there are 4c1 plus divided by 52c1 plus, because this is OR. Jack, how many jacks are there? 4. So this is 4c1 plus 52c1. Now let us look at this eighth question. A digit card of the diamond. So under diamond category, how many digit cards are there? There would be 9, because if we subtract total under diamond category, there will be 13 cards. We subtract the 4 honor cards, so it will be the rest of the cards are 9. Those are 9 digit cards under diamond category. So out of 9, I'll draw 1 and this is 52c1. Now what is the probability that it is a jack of red suit? So this is 52c1. Under red suit, how many jacks would be there? There are 2. So 2c1 divided by 52c1. Next, eighth question. It is either red or black. For it to be red, there are 26. So 26c1 divided by 52c1 plus 26c1, because blacks are also 26 are there, so divided by 52c1. Either red or black, so OR is used, so that's why we have used plus over here. Next, it is either king of red color. So king of red color, how many kings are there of red color? As we can see from this table, there are only 2 kings under red color. So it is 2c1 divided by 52c1 plus, or queen of black color. Similarly, 2 queens will be there in black color. So it is 2c1 divided by 52c1. Now the last question. What is the probability that we have a 9 as the digit on that card and it is of black color? So there are 2 such cards, so it will be 2c1 divided by 52c1. So this is the way to solve these questions. The table is easy to remember provided if you only remember this part, that there are total 52 cards and 52 cards are of red and black colors. They can be classified into red and black colors. So you can vaguely remember the types of cards that fall under red or black, but if you see the letter red, instead of H E in between R and D, you replace it with H. So we will get under red category we have hearts and diamonds. So the rest of the things will fall under black category. Now let us look at another question. In this type of question, here it says that 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So the denominator for all these questions will be 52C2. Now we are asked to find what the probability that both are kings. How many kings are there? There are 4 kings. So it is 4C2 divided by 52C2. Exactly one ace. Exactly one ace. So there are 4 aces. So out of 4, I'll select 1. And it is not over yet because two cards we are drawing. So that's why I'm using multiplication here into. So out of these 4 cards I have drawn 1 card. So rest there are 48 cards. Out of 48 cards I can draw any card divided. So it is 48C1. So it is total, it is divided by 52C2. Next, what is the probability that there is no digit card? No digit card means we are going to draw only honor cards. There are 16 honor cards. So out of 16 I'll draw any 2. This is 52C2. No honor cards. So we are going to draw only digit cards. There are 36 digit cards. So 36C2 divided by 52C2. Now the next question is, cards are of same color. So they can be either red or black. So what I'll do is, out of red I'll draw 2. So it is 26C2, either red or black. So or, that's why I'm using this plus sign or plus addition over here. So it is 26C2 divided by 52C2. Next question is, cards are of different color. So 26C1 into 26C1. Out of red I'm drawing 1, out of blacks I'm drawing 1. So it is 52C2. Next, there is 1 king and 1 queen. So total how many kings are there? 4 kings. So out of 4 kings I am drawing 1 of the king. Out of 4 queens I am drawing another 1 of the queen. So it is total 4C1 into 4C1 divided by 52C2. Next is 1 honor card and 1 digit card. So out of 16 honor cards I will draw 1, and out of 36 digit cards I will draw 1 divided by 52C2. Next is exactly 1 card of heart. So under hearts we are going to draw only 1 card. So total number of cards under hearts category is 13. So out of 13 I will draw 1 card, and if you subtract 13 minus 52, out of 13 if you subtract from 52, you are going to get, out of remaining 39 I am going to draw 1 of the cards divided by 52C2. Now let us look at another question. In this question, 3 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So the denominator will be 52C3, or the numerator will decide based on the type of question. Now, what is the probability that all 3 are kings? Total there are 4 kings. So out of 4 I have drawn 3 kings divided by 52C3. This is the probability. What is the probability that there are no aces? So there are only 4 aces. So I'll subtract those 4 from 52. So we will be left with 48. So 48C3 divided by 52C3. Now the next thing is, what is the probability that we are drawing 1 ace, 1 king and 1 queen? So it is 4. Out of 4 aces I'll draw 1 ace. Out of 4 kings I'll draw 1 king. Out of 4 queens I'll draw 1 queen divided by 52C3. Now what is the probability that we are drawing 1 jack and 2 aces? So how many jacks are there? There are 4 jacks. So I'll draw 4 C1 out of 1 jack out of those 4 and 2 aces. So there are 4 aces. I'll draw 2 aces out of those 4. So it is 52 C3. Next, this question. What is the probability that you have drawn 2 digit cards of red suit and 1 honor card of red suit? So under red suit, total there are 36 digit cards. So under red suit there are 18 digit cards, and under black suit there are 18 digit cards. So out of 18 I'll draw 2 digit cards and 1 honor card of red suit. Honor cards, there are total 16 honor cards. 8 will be of red suit and 8 will be of black suit. So out of those 8 I'll draw 1 divided by 52C3. Next question. Exactly 1 queen. So there are 4 queens. I'll draw, out of those 4 I'll draw only 1, because it is the requirement in the question is that exactly 1 queen must be there. And if we subtract these 4 from 52, so we are having 48. Out of 48 I can draw any 2 other cards divided by 52C3. Next question is, there should be exactly 1 red card. So how many red cards are there? There are 26 red cards. I will draw 1 from those 26 red cards, and I'll subtract those 26 minus 52, so there will be 26 more cards will be there. Those are black cards. Out of these 26 I'll draw 2, and this is divided by 52C3. Next question is, there is exactly 1 honor card. 1 honor card means that out of the 16 honor cards I'll draw 1 and the rest are digit cards. So out of 36 I'll draw the remaining 2, and this is divided by 52C3. Next, all are honor cards. So out of 16 I'll draw 3 honor cards, and this is 52C3. Hope the concepts of cards is clear with these questions, and thank you for listening to me.